Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. I am participating in the Spring/Easter Bar Cart Collaboration 2020, and we were told to use either Easter or spring decor. And I chose to use spring decor in the form of the color pink. And I'm excited about using this bar cart because this is a bar cart that I created. Now this collaboration is being hosted by Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and her co-host is Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And again, as I stated, I'm excited to be a part of this because I get to use my bar cart, which is a DIY bar cart that I created over 6 months ago. And I love this video mainly because my daughter recorded it and she's the one that did all the editing, and it's really a fun video to watch, especially at the end. So if you're interested in seeing this video, I will leave a link in the description box below. So here it is. I'm getting ready to bring the bar cart together and also decorate it. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.